Hey guys, we are doing an Adidas unboxing today. So these are the A17s. So let's get straight into it. Oh, it's good wrapping. These are sick. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Oh, these studs are so cool. I like the sock and the just all of it. Adidas. It is sick. Oh my gosh. So, if you guys know, I'm doing a $50 iTunes voucher. So I'd love you guys to subscribe, and you'd be in the competition. And when every time you subscribe, a subscriber is a winner, or might be a winner. So we'll get these on. I will be there in 1 sec. So these are the boots. They're pretty sick. So love this Adidas design. It's really cool, and I love how it's really tight, so it won't fall off. So like, it's me trying. And what was I going to say? Remember, I'm doing a giveaway. It is 50 bucks if we hit, I think it was 5,000 subs. And then after 5,000 we hit 6,000, I'll be giving away these boots. These are CR7s. Go check that out as well. That's on my channel. Link will be in the description. So check that out after this video. It'll take like 2 seconds to hit the like button. So I'd love you guys to hit that like button. It would make my day. And if this gets up to, let's say maybe 1,000 likes. If that hits 1,000 likes, I'll be giving away these CR7s. It's pretty special. And yeah. Thanks for watching this unboxing video of these Adidas. They are very beautiful. So, like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.